Hi everyone. Very good morning. Welcome to Unacademy Grow channel, and today we're gonna do a session on large language models and two of the most popular LLMs or large language models present right now, BARD and ChatGPT. So there is a slight misconception. They are actually not the underlying LLMs. They are just chatbots. The underlying LLMs are Lambda and GPT-3 or GPT 3.5 or GPT-4. So I'll explain what these mean, how they work, and we'll try to ask a few questions with from Bard and ChatGPT and try to see the comparison. Yeah, cool. I'll just wait for 2 minutes and then we will start the session. Just give me 1 second. Say hi in the chat and let me know if I'm audible and visible correctly, clearly. Okay, just write in the chat. Today's session is not that interactive. Like I'll be just explain the concepts. You can hold your questions till the end if you have any questions. Meanwhile, if you want me something like if you want me to ask something to Bard or Chat GPT, just write in the chat. I will just compare the answers as well. Okay, then let's begin our session. I guess we are live. Just yeah. Really, I will conduct Python. So actually, I was not conducting Python classes. Okay, I got you. Like from the Unacademy special class. So I had to do this YouTube session today. So I had to miss out on the Unacademy special class. Thanks for like being here and reminding me. I will be conducting it tomorrow. Okay. So the Python sessions which we were having on an Academy special class. I know I missed out today. We will be having it tomorrow. Okay. Today we are doing like this like YouTube session. That's why I had to cancel that. Cool. So I guess we have the live audience. Like we can start the session today. We're gonna see how these automated chat tools work. Okay. So two of them, the most popular from Google and OpenAI, are Bard and ChatGPT. These are the platforms which you can use to chat. So in Bard, like it says here on the top left corner, it's an experiment. Like it's continuously growing. ChatGPT like was launched as slightly before Bard, and like it's slightly more mature in that sense. But like you can just compare the responses. Like here, I've told both the platforms to say hi to all my YouTube friends. There are various of like options Bard gives you, like the UI wise. Like I feel like it's much better, and like yeah, like ChatGPT is also evolving. Like they are also evolving in their responses, and they also give a few options here. So firstly, let's compare the UI part of Bard and ChatGPT. Okay, so like how the platform actually looks, where the platform where you actually chat with the bot. So in both the platforms, you can actually see the tabs. Here you can write a new chat, and they will show you the recent conversations you had with chat Bard and with ChatGPT as well. And in both the platforms, there is a prompt writing capability at the bottom. You can write your prompt. Prompt is like, so is the text input we give to an LLM. So don't confuse with prompt. Prompt is just the input in the text in English language or any other language that we give to the LLM, large language model. So this is called hard prompt. Hard prompt is what? Like you're actually writing your piece of information, like what your question, as text to the LLM. Okay. And internally, like any LLM or any neural network works on numbers and arrays of like numpy arrays of floating point numbers. So then internally, this hard prompt gets converted into soft prompt. That soft prompt is like the array of numbers. Okay. And basically that LLM will try to convert that array or of like basically the soft prompt, the array of numbers, into another array of numbers. Like that's how any neural network works, right? So it will try to internally convert one array of numbers to another array of numbers. So soft prompt to the soft output, and then it is then again mapped. The output is mapped to hard text, which is presented to you. This is the text which is presented to you, right? So yeah. So this is how it works. Like hard prompt, soft prompt, output in numbers. Like you can call it soft output, and then like the text output. Okay. So it's a standard mapping, and like basically what they do is like they use some sort of tokenizer to like basically tokenize like this entire hard text into this array, which we are calling soft prompt. Cool. So in both the UIs like Bard, GPT, we have the prompt writing capability at the bottom. You can ask your questions from here straight, like from the platform. So let me ask a complex question to both of them. Just give me 1 second. There's some issue with the. Yeah, cool. So you can write a prompt here. Let me just ask a like let's slightly like what is the current time? So this is the problem with LLMs. Like they are pre-trained. They are pre-trained. Okay. And see, like the current time right now where I am present is my laptop shows me 9 a.m. but it says the current time in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh is 9:13 a.m. on Wednesday, August 9, 2023. So I don't know how it gets that, but yeah. Okay, so cool. Like let's ask the same question to ChatGPT. See, internally, all these things are happening. Like whatever I told you, hard prompt, soft prompt, output. So yeah, GPT is not connected to internet. Like it's like obviously we are connected to internet. We are sending the query to the server, but yeah, like it is a pre-trained model, so they accept it. They are just saying, "I'm sorry, but I don't have real-time capabilities, so I cannot provide you with the current time. Is there anything else you'd like to know or discuss?" Okay, it doesn't has that capability. It will not ask you like it will not tell you. So basically Bard is also like based on a large language model called Lambda, right? It is also pre-trained. Like, but if you have some real-time questions. Okay, Lokeshwar, there is a lag, like I'm trying to fix it, like I'm not able to find the settings. Just give me 1 minute. Even I know there is like some lag between the video and audio. Cool, I'm not able to find it right now. I guess I'll need to close the stream, so let's not do that. I guess it will fix automatically in some time. It's like most likely because of some overheating. Just give me 1 second. Okay, cool. So this was like the time capabilities. Now again coming to the UI comparison of both Bard and GPT. Uh, see, you see certain options here. Okay, so here you like in firstly coming to GPT. I don't know you can see it or not. On the bottom right corner, there is a regenerate option. So I can regenerate the response of the same question, and like GPT will try to fetch me another answer to the same problem. Okay, so it is stuck. Okay, but yeah, it has regenerated it. I'm sorry, but I don't have real-time capabilities, including the ability to provide the current time. Okay, so basically it is like you can regenerate. So every time you prompt a large language model, it is not mandatory. It works on probabilities, right? So like it is not like mandatory that they will give you the same output. They are not like uh, static in that sense. So even here, like if you ask the current time again to like here I don't see a regenerate option. Probably there might be a regenerate option here, but no, there is not there is no regenerate option here. There is a modify response option. So it's like great. I love this feature. Okay, you can ask Bard to give you a shorter, a longer, a simpler, a more casual, or a more professional answer. Okay, so they have like these different uh features, like you can add so basically this information gets appended with your prompt, and they will have to like now the LLM like will try to answer like in a shorter manner, longer, simpler, casual. Okay, so like I can ask more casual, let's say. It's amazing, like you're asking the current time in a more casual manner. So sure, it's currently 9:30 in the morning in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. So it's like more casual. So you can regenerate with slight modifications as well. Let's say more professional. Like you universal coordinated time. Like they've explained everything. It's like much more professional. And you can write shorter. It will just give you the current time. I guess in one line. Yeah. And what if I do more like shorter? I just want to see, can it go up to like just 9:13 a.m.? I don't think it can, but yeah. So these are the ways like in which you can regenerate in both the portals. So the UI wise, like I'll just give points to Bard. Like it's like amazing, like the text, the everything they have placed it here, and also like they are improving constantly. So you can edit your question from here. So like I'm just telling you all the features they have. There is a settings in which you can use the dark theme. That I guess there is in ChatGPT as well. So yeah, you can use light and dark themes, and this is the like the logo, and here's the answer. And there are a few options both in ChatGPT and Bard. You can like upvote an answer if it is a good response. This helps them like the OpenAI and Google to tune their responses. If you like the answer, like you can upvote it so that like it will like be a positive enforcement, or like since this is a good behavior by LLM, it will be a positive reinforcement for the LLM. Like we have to give more such answers. So like plus and minus, like they help the LLMs to tune better. And it the like the upward and downward options are both in ChatGPT and Bard. So you can even provide additional feedback if you didn't like the answer. You can correct the answer, that will help it. Okay. So in Bard, like I see one more, like modify response we have already seen. What type of response do you want? And you can share and export the answer. That's an amazing feature. So there are three options. You can share the link to the answer. You can export this answer directly into Google Docs. You can export the answer directly into Google Docs so people can see it there. And you can even send the response directly in Gmail. Okay. So you don't need to copy paste now. If like most likely if you're working with like Docs or Gmail, like you can directly export the answer there itself. And the most amazing feature, if you want to directly Google search it, if you're not finding the answer, like see, LLMs are pre-trained models, like they don't guarantee that the answer will always be correct. Okay. So LLMs never guarantee that the answer will be 100% correct. So if you're not trusting the answer, if you want another like go on it, like you can just Google it straight away, and like you'll find the same answer to the same question on Google then. Okay. Okay, questions, comments. Cool. Is the audio fine now, or is there still a lot of lag? Cool. So now let's go to the underlying model. I guess UI wise, like we have compared them, and also like there is a feature I like forgot to tell you about in Bard. Like in ChatGPT, I don't see any like more features, but here you have a use microphone feature as well. So I can try it. I'm not sure. I've never tried it before. What is the current time? Okay, didn't hear the entire question, but yeah, I guess it is working. So we can ask certain questions. So let's ask a slightly complex query. Okay, I'll try it. If five people can do, okay, so it's yeah. So there is an issue. What I want to do is, see, this is standard Google like translate, like they used audio to text, so they have embedded that here as well. So you can use it. Okay, I hope you got the like feeling. Like right now, like I am having like lots of windows open, and like the audio is like streamed everywhere, so it's not working. But yeah, like you can try it out. Okay. So this is like the UI comparison. Now if I go to Bard's like the blog, like which was launched like when Bard was launched. So this is the blog basically. So here in the about Bard section, they have mentioned that Bard is powered by a research language model LLM, research large language model. What is an LLM? Text input, text output. They generally use sentence completion. So like they're generally sentence completion models. Like they just the main task which they are trained on is next token generation. So what is the current time? I am sorry. So like this is like the next token. So if this is the sentence, what should I fill it with next? So that's what next token generation is. So that's how these models are generally trained. And so Bard is based on a lightweight and optimized version of Lambda. Like lightweight means slightly less parameters. Like the original Lambda might have more parameters. Like this is a slightly lightweight model, and will be updated with newer and more capable models over time. It's grounded in Google's understanding of quality information. You can think of LLM as a prediction engine. Okay, yeah. So an LLM is just a prediction engine. You give it a text, it will predict the next token, and it will give you the output. So yeah, like this is the page, and so the main thing is like it's based on Lambda. So Bard is not LLM, Lambda is the LLM, and Bard is just the UI in which you can ask your questions and get your response. And similarly in ChatGPT, ChatGPT is actually just the chatbot or the UI. The internally the engine which it uses, or the LLM, the name of the LLM is GPT 3.5 or GPT 4. Okay, makes sense. You can, if you want to know more about like how these are trained, you can like we can create an advanced level video on this. I just wanted to give you the basic differences between these two, and the like a few terminology getting corrected. Okay, so I hope this makes sense. So yep, like we will have like I'll close the stream now. Thanks a lot for joining. This was a basic intro of Bard and ChatGPT. I'll conduct one more session today at 8 p.m. Today at 8 p.m. and it will again be on ChatGPT and Bard, and I'll explain how to efficiently use these type of chatbots. If you are a coder, if you are a mathematician, if you want to do any day-to-day like job, how to efficiently use LLMs or like chatbots like these. Cool. So today at 8 p.m. I'll have another live stream on this same channel, Unacademy Grow. You will have the link like very soon. It will be scheduled, and we will discuss it. Cool. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.